In today's video, we are going to show you how to pay your orders. After login, scroll down from the left menu, click Billing, click on Invoice. As you can see, I have one unpaid invoice. Click View Invoice. It will going to show you what you have ordered. It's prorated invoice. We just need to click on Pay Now. Click. It's just a confirmation for what you are paying for. Click Pay Now again. It will redirect to you on the payment gateway. So if you are internationally from US and Europe or anywhere in the country, just click on this Visa portion, enter your credit card or debit card information and make the payment. And if you're from the same country where we exist, you can choose any of these: bank account, wallet, or transfer. So after the payment, you will get back to your account. Let me show you. You just need to enter your details. Okay, that's for now. I'm just canceling my payment to show you how does the payment look like. The payment failed will bring back to you this page, but for the demo purpose, we are going to see the payment has been paid. I've skipped the confidential payment of credit card, so I can show you the payment has been paid now. So see you in the next video. Bye.